Just wanted to kind of go over what we're going to be doing today, just real quickly again to log some of the stuff that I'm doing, which are pretty much car related, nothing much more. I got the soup out, did a little bit of garage cleaning today, just kind of tidying up, not really cleaning. What I am going to be doing today is helping out. Well, today's Boxer Fest. Couldn't make it because I was away. And of course the Subaru is not done yet. So I got a couple of guys that's going to be coming today. I haven't met Nick. Well, I've met Nick online, but never in person. So he's going to be coming by today. He picked up some items over at Boxer Fest, and we are going to be installing it. I think their ETA was about 6:30. So it usually gets dark now by around 7:30, 8ish. I think it's the latest. And since Jacob's car is really loud, neighbor's not really liking me very much if he leaves at like ungodly hours. But anyway, he's going to be coming by today as well, along with another friend, I guess. I'm not quite sure who it is. But so we're going to be, I'm not sure if we're going to be actually documenting it and going over the step-by-step on how to do it. But we'll leave it up to Jacob to see what he does. He might even do that on his channel, but for me, I'm just gonna cover some, activities that we do in this garage. Not necessarily, detail those recordings, but just enough just to kind of record history and just kind of go over some of the things that that we've done to date. Also, my son has been working on his 330. Let me just quickly show you. I'm not going to detail it, but he is working on the headliner. He's doing some bits and pieces right now in the backyard. So he did run into some trouble, but he's finishing it up. I think he's cleaning up at this point, but it's actually coming out pretty good. So we'll show you the end result once he is done. So while I am waiting for Jacob and Party to get here, I am going to give a quick wash to the Supra. to get close to this side as much as possible. So we got the corner done, and there goes the owner.
Hello.
Anyway, so we got what? You got it in. So pretty much what we did was just kind of match it up, and then once we lower it, we're going to adjust it through the right height. We're just gonna have him drive around for a little bit and measure it after that.
Keep going back and forth like I did. Do you love me?
All right, so just a quick update. We got all 3 corners done. Jacob is working on the passenger rear now, so we should be all set. But so I don't know, man. I think we're gonna leave it this way. What do you guys think? The height. But anyway, so she's just on a rake because the rears are up. She's eventually gonna go up just a little bit. And we ran into a little problem because we didn't have the tool that we needed, but we improvised by using vice grip. I'll go over it in detail, or if not, you guys can just check out Jacob's channel. He kind of went over it in detail, but I'm not gonna go over much on how this is done. You know, he's gonna cover that, but just kind of wanted to log what we did today and the progress that we've had for the day. It's what is it like now, 10:30? So we're trying to get this thing done before it gets too late and the neighbor starts getting upset over all the noise that we're making. But it should look good. I'll check back with him once we're done with all 4 corners and she's lowered and adjusted. All right, so here's the little workaround that we did. So instead of having a pass-through, you're right. Instead of having a pass-through wrench and socket, to be able to get this nut off. Let me move this. That was the full napkins. That's already stuck. But anyway, there's a nut there, and you need the Allen to kind of hold it to make sure it doesn't spin. So instead of a pass-through socket and pass-through wrench, we decided to just use a vice grip and socket and the Allen wrench, and that should do the trick. So this is the first drop. That thing is really low, particularly the rear. So we're gonna be adjusting it some more.
Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for us. We got the car done. The back sits a little bit lower than the front. The back's about a ½ inch lower than the front, but tomorrow we're gonna get tires mounted on Nick's new Volks, and then we're gonna put them on the car, readjust from there, get everything situated. We gotta break them in anyway. So it's drivable. It looks freaking good. So yeah, 1,000 miles on this thing and it's already low AF. So until tomorrow, or a couple seconds for you guys, we're gonna go get some sleep and then I'll see you in a little bit. Yeah, I had to choke it.
So we wrapped up last night, what, 1 o'clock?
Yeah.
And these guys are back for more. They just love me so much that they can't get enough of me and they had to come back. No, we're doing some adjustments. They dropped off the wheel over at Brian's, and just to get it prepped for the hike, because they're going to be taking some pictures today. All they want to do is just be able to slap on the wheel and they should be ready to go. So we rushed to try and get sunset pictures on 3 locations, and I think we were successful. So we'll see what it comes out, and we'll maybe post some of it on my IG if you guys don't already follow. It's the same 3GP Media.